To play a story, put the card in the slot at the top. If you want to change the chapter, press this button. And if you want to turn it back, press
the enormous
this button.
crocodile.
And if you want to
A bit
turn
further
the
on,
volume
he met
up and
Mugglewump,
down,
the
do
monkey.
this.
Mugglewump was sitting in a tree.
If you want to
eating
turn it
nuts.
off,
Hello, Crocky,
take it out.
said Mugglewump. What you up to now?
Yoto Daily is a podcast and it's new every day. To turn it on, press this button. If you want to turn on Yoto Radio, press this button again.
I am God is dead. I call him Lollipop, Lollipop, Lollipop.
To see if your Yoto is charged, press this button. Okay, mine is charged, but if yours isn't, you have to put it on the dock until it's all charged up, like this. If you want to see if it's charging, press this button again.